Hey everybody, it's Haley, and today I am going to be making oatmeal raisin cookies, and I'm going to be trying out the sun-made raisins recipe that is on the back of the bag. I've seen this recipe a couple of times, and I've always been curious, like, if they're really going to turn out good. So today I'm going to try the recipe and tell you if they're really good. Are they really good? Anyways, let's get started. We have 1 cup of light brown sugar, and I'm gonna put that in my bowl. And I'm also gonna add half a cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of salted butter, softened. Then we've got our vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Oh, make sure you use pure vanilla extract because the fake stuff does not taste good. All right, then I'm also gonna add in 1 egg and 1/4 cup of milk. And this is the part that I'm very worried about because you never ever add milk to cookies. I don't think I've ever made cookies where I add milk into the dough. So, it seems very strange to me, but we're just gonna go with what the recipe says. I don't know, maybe this is like the secret ingredient to the best cookies ever. And I am going to just mix this until it's light and fluffy. Also, in the background here, you may notice a bread maker, which is new. My mom got it for me for Christmas, and it's supposed to make it a lot easier to make bread, so that is very exciting. Once you're done mixing all that together, then we are going to get a separate bowl to combine our dry ingredients. So I have 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh, I don't have a spoon. And we're just gonna mix this all together. And then once you're done mixing that together, we're going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Don't spill, don't spill. I spilled some flour on the sides. It's okay. Happens to the best of us. Always happens to me. And now we're just going to mix this together. Then add 3 cups of uncooked oats and 1 cup of raisins. All right, dough is done, and I've got a cookie sheet here, and I'm just going to scoop out all of these cookies. And it says tablespoon size, so I'm going to make small cookies. All right, and now I'm ready to bake this. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna bake these for 12 to 15 minutes. All right, my cookies are out of the oven, and now it's time for the best part. I'm going to try one. Oh, it's falling apart. Good flavor, good texture. These are actually really good. They're not like your normal oatmeal raisin cookies though. They're like completely different. They're not super soft, but they're very chewy and kind of crisp on the ends. So if you're looking for a chewy oatmeal raisin cookie, these are definitely the way to go. They're super chewy, and they've got a really nice flavor. Well, anyways, thank you so much for baking with me today. Let me know in the comments if you ever try this recipe at home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and click the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!